Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Ushanka Show, stories about life in the Soviet Union. If you watch my videos about Soviet education, you may remember that in the Soviet schools, students had to study not only math, physics, chemistry, Russian language, Ukrainian language in my case, but also had lessons of labor, уроки труда, which usually happened once a week. And here's the page from my school day planner. I believe this is maybe from the 7th grade. So on Fridays, we had 2 lessons of labor, trud. So we had a total of 6 classes, 45 minutes each, and last 2 classes were labor. And I have a note that says, принести спецодежду. So kids were supposed to bring special uniforms to do labor. So of course, boys did boys things, and girls were learning how to sew, how to cook. And you see I had pretty decent grades. Well, one was 3, the rest was 5, 5, 5, which is excellent. We even had labor textbooks, like here it says трудовое обучение, 6th grade, although I do not recall using books in my case, but apparently we did have those. And today I would like to show you a couple of short vintage movies from 1970s mostly, where you could see how the Soviet children were learning labor lessons. Enjoy the show.